Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nitsko Nurwanto. I student in the Agribusiness Study Program class R005. Here I will continue my English assessment videos. Starting this week, I will review and understand how to read the transcript. If farming was your primary source of income and if I can grow anything, there is not much you can do. It's very demoralizing and very overwhelming in a lot of the countries where I work. Farmers fight virus, pests, diseases, drugs, and floods if crops while no food is available for a lot of people would depend on what the products and it translates. And though sometimes an entering generation being undermined, my name is Catherine Knuckles and I'm stylist for security specialist. I use stylist data to and monitor crops and then work to make sure that information can be used by decision makers and organization that support farms. I primarily focus on Africa, specifically Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, Mali, and Senegal. Last time I checked out there were offer styled offering of the picture every day, and you can also touch I make to map what crops are growing, way how much is going to rain, where the system makes be coming from, and how widely it makes be. In fact, I can just sit on my computer until you anywhere and see what upwards rainfall, drought, and floods. We have some information and data about what's happening where everything in a fantastic I give it hook advice in that allow us to process a lot more information. The problem is when you look deeply at one place you start to see problem I with low of the existing products they are not tailored today on the ground concept and submitting the data is just wrong. A lot of the model are designed very well to predict for European or US agriculture in Europa much from harvesting crop are directly back in are very case to model in Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda. However, they feel are so tiny. They have so many different crop in them and farmers to think so differently. I list tapestry with those standard images fields are a misrepresented. There are a place where there are no crop woods are labeled as crops and place where there is all big crops they are completely missing. When you try to assess something for a mystery and use that input your bicycle feeding them berbagai to train I model to understand that complexity unit a lot of example which request going on the ground. To solve it, this we used go first You wear a GoPro as you're driving on a motorcycle or in a car and as you drive by take picture. Basically, creating a glossary view boot for crops instead of stacks. We adapted what will be fixed detection, but instead of detection faces touch or dogs were modified. I to detect mice, bends, and kasva. We cover all of Western Kenya into weeks with just to team collecting over 5 million images with the help of volunteers. Motorcly taxi drive and students that allow us to build a more complex model that can clear from all these different example on context.